Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Gaming for Beginners. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Mobile Legends Bang Bang on your Android device. First of all, make sure your Android device meets the minimum requirements, that is 5.0 Android. Now open up the Google Play Store on your Android and also make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Now tap on the search icon at the bottom and go to the top and type in Mobile Legends Bang Bang. Once you do that, from the search result, look for the application from Moonton and tap on Install. Wait for the application to download and install, which will take several minutes. Once the application is installed, click on Play. And there you have it. You have successfully downloaded Mobile Legends Bang Bang on your Android. Follow through the on-screen instructions, create your character, and then get ready to join into the game. That is how you can easily download and install Mobile Legends Bang Bang on your Android in just a few simple steps. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.